Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on OPPO A38. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome. It needs to be this specific browser. Then we can click on the three dots or arrow pointing up in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Inside, select the password manager. Make sure that offer to save passwords is activated just like I have right here, and then we can go back and try to log in to any website. So in this case, it will be Facebook. And after we click on login button, after a few seconds, we should see the pop-up with offer to save that password. Let's save it, and then we can go back to the password manager. Inside, you should see the Facebook or whichever website you tried to log in and save the credentials for on the bottom. And now we can see our username. There's also a password, but it's hidden. You can click on this I button to preview it, but for that you will need the screen lock on your device and unlock it just like that. Here's the password. You can copy it with this button right here, the same with username, and you can also edit both of the username and the password. But for that, make sure to click on done after doing so. And lastly, we can click on the trash button, bin button to delete it from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.